How to fix CarPlay not working or connecting issue on iOS 17 or 18. Let's get started. Ensure that your car is compatible with Apple CarPlay. Some cars may require an additional software update for the manufacturer to work with the latest iOS version. A quick restart can resolve connectivity issue. Power off your iPhone and restart your car's infotainment system. Then retry connecting to CarPlay again. If you're using a USB cable, make sure it's an Apple certified cable and is undamaged. If you're connecting wirelessly, ensure your Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone. Open your control center and toggle on for the option of Bluetooth. Sometimes CarPlay may be disabled. To check that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of screen time, head over to the option of content and privacy restriction, navigate to the option allowed apps and features. Now from the list of these apps, find the feature CarPlay and make sure it is enabled. In the case it is already enabled, disable it, wait for a few minutes and then enable it. Likewise, turn off USB restricted mode. For that, head back to the main page of settings. Now, navigate to the option Face ID and Passcode. Enter your phone's passcode, you'll be directed to this page. From this list, find the option USB accessories and then disable it. Next up, what you want to do is update the software to its latest version. For that, navigate to the option of General, head towards the option Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. If CarPlay still doesn't work, reset your network settings. Head back, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and go through the process. By applying all this solution, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Apple CarPlay not working or connecting issue on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.